Welcome to MAP. Right behind me you can see one of our medium-sized swirl filters, especially for fish farms. This specific unit is capable to handle 600 cubic meters per hour. It's capable to hold up to 90% of the particles which is flowing through. It's completely a passive unit, no need for pump. It can work gravitationally, inlet, outlet, and that's it. And the particles which are settling down, we are extracting from this column with a submersible pump, or we can extract it directly gravitationally. It is completely made of food-grade, environmental-friendly polymers, completely recyclable and user-friendly approach. There's no need for maintenance. There's no need to open and close it. Just plug and play. Thanks for watching us.